Let me show you now the screw compressor and how it looks like. This is from the company Bitzer, and let's see how it looks like. This is the compressor we have here. We have different kind of compressors. All it depends for the client. So this mainly used if you have, if you want to change your compressor, or if you want to get a new compressor, please just let me know. This compressor here, if you can see, the 12 HP, and I can show you closer. This is 40 HP. This is used for the low temperature cold rooms and even the high temperature cold rooms. You can make sure there is a code on this compressor. You can just scan this code and to make sure this is original compressor as well, and to show you that this is 35 HP. And this all mainly use if the electricity, just to say, like the same as China, most of the country, I can say 90%, they can use this compressor as well. What you say there, this is, you can say this is this bigger one. It's like 35, 45 HP. But behind me here, this is a screw compressor. This screw compressor used for the large cold rooms mainly. Sometimes you don't need to use like 4 or 5 compressor or 6 compressor. You just only need one of this screw compressor, like 125 HP, 200 HP. The good things about these compressors is like they don't have too much trouble, and I tell you the good and the bad things about them. And then you can save also electricity. And the main things about it, or the things you need to take care about, you need, if anything happened to these compressors, the screw compressor, you need to get like nice technicians who can fix it. The problem is you cannot find the nice technician. It's not the same as this. This is everyone can know about it and they can fix it. But this kind is very good and stable, and you can use one rather than you have 4 there. But you have to need to get like nice technicians if there is anything happen to them. But as I say, there is a lot of things protect this screw compressor. So for this side, you can say this is for small compressor. We can see this is 7 HP, 5 HP, 3 HP. For small cold rooms, you can use them. Or we can, if you need the whole unit, we can even help you to get the whole unit. We can install it for you. It depends for the countries. For in some countries, Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. 我们拍一下视频。这头发蛮好的。Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is 2-stage compressor. Yeah. Just to give you, this compressor here is 2-stage compressor. This is used for the cold room -40 or -30. It's very good using the very low temperatures cold rooms. When this screw compressor is like 70 HP, just to give you idea. So here's, we just open it. So when you open it, you will get it with this catalog, both in Chinese and English, and you have the code here. So you can just scan it and confirm it is Bitzer or not, all the details. Can be in English as well and Chinese. And with it, this is the control panel, and this is the parts. You can use it for the screw compressor. We just open it here. All right. And we also have, if you need the oil for the cold room here, this is the oil used for the cold room here. So if you need it also, we can give it to you as well. Cheers.